friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Justina, and here I like to make, create, and inspire fun art things with you through my DIYs. But as you see by today's title and clicking on today's video, today is a decorate with me my front porch area, which was super fun, and hopefully it will give you some inspiration to maybe decorate as well. I know I am a little behind because I was supposed to get this done couple weeks ago, and I'm just now getting it done this week, which Easter is on Sunday. However, a little bit late is better than never, so I wanted to decorate, of course, for the Easter bunny so he knows which house to hop along to and drop off maybe some goodies for my little ones. And if you're watching this around the weekend to Easter, I really hope you guys have a safe and happy Easter day. But before we get started, if you are new here but haven't yet subscribed, I hope you do that today. All you have to do is click on that big red subscribe button down below. It is totally free, but don't forget to click on the bell notification so that YouTube can always notify you every time I upload a new video. Plus, we would love to have you here, part of our virtual art family. If you're already a subscriber, thank you so much for being here and clicking on today's video. I really do appreciate each and every one of you being here, but don't forget to do all of the YouTubey things, which is like, comment, and share it to at least one person. It really does help out my channel. Remember, friends, I do have other socials. I have a Facebook, Instagram, and now a Patreon page. All of those links will be down in the description box below. Remember, you do not have to become a member to grab some free goodies over there. If you want to head over there, I do have a couple of wallpapers that are absolutely free that will be perfect for your laptop or computer. Now, with all that being said, let's just jump right into it and let's decorate my front porch area. Like I mentioned before, I have moved into a new home and we have this front porch area, which I absolutely love. It is not the biggest, but it is covered, and it does have little spots where I can decorate really cute. So I just love to decorate. I was trying to clean up before I start decorating. My last video that I made, I just put up a couple of spring items out here. So I am going to remove that and replace them with some Easter decorations that I have made on this channel, and I'll make sure to link those videos down in the description box below if you want to see how I made some of those DIY projects. Now, I promise I won't talk throughout the whole entire video, but I will pop in here and there just to let you know what I'm doing and what some of the items came from and what they are. But I really hope that you enjoy this video, and I hope it gives you some inspiration to maybe do some spring cleaning yourself. did purchase this Easter peep at Dollar Tree, and I already removed the bottom of it and added water. It says to add water at the bottom so it stands up straight. Now, while I was trying to look for my air pump, for the life of me, I could not find one. So I am using a balloon air pump, which did work, but mine was overheating because it's such a large peep. So if you see these, I definitely suggest you pick some up. I believe they were $5 and I bought mine last year, and this one turned out so adorable. I'm just going to fill it up and then I will start decorating again. So I did add some decorations way before the porch area. As you see there, I put my peep down into my little front garden area, and then I put my hop sign that I made a couple years ago over to the right side, and then this Easter egg to the left side. Now as you walk up, you follow the footprints of the Easter bunny so he knows exactly where to go, and this is my front porch area. Like I said earlier, it is just really simple, and it just has a couple of decorations just to bring some of that Easter vibe to my front door, but I absolutely loved how it turned out. Now, like I mentioned before, I did place little marks in the video to show you where everything was purchased or if I made it, and once again, all of those videos will be down in the description box below if you want to check those out after today's video. Now, I definitely feel the vibe of spring because all of my flowers really start to bloom, especially my hibiscus and my begonias. They are blooming like crazy and dropping flowers everywhere, which I absolutely love, but it really just brings a spring vibe right to my front door. Also, my mint plant over to the right side is really taking growth. It is getting bigger and bigger, and I absolutely love it, and you can smell it on the way inside of the door. Question of the day: have any of you started any new garden planting this spring season? I know I am going to start, even though I'm late in the season. I really want to start planting more of my plants around my home. Well, that completes today's video for you guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I know it was short and sweet, but it is right to the point, and Easter is this Sunday, so I really had to pump this out, and I just hope that you guys enjoy it and it hopefully gave you some inspiration. Remember, friends, if you are new here and you haven't yet subscribed, I hope you do that today. All you have to do is click on that big red subscribe button down below. It is totally free, but don't forget to click on the bell notification so YouTube can always notify you every time I upload a new video. Plus, we would love to have you here, part of our virtual art family. If you're already a subscriber, thank you so much for clicking on today's video and watching this video with me and getting some spring inspiration. I really hope you enjoyed, but don't forget to do all the YouTubey things, which is like, comment, and share it to at least one friend. It really does help out my channel. Now, with all that being said, thank you guys so much. I really hope you enjoy, and as always, I will see you in the next one.